Do you know what is a no-code wall? Imagine you are building your dream app and it's fun and amazing until you hit the wall. Which means the feature you want to build is simply not possible. One of them is image cropping. In this video, we're gonna get around this limitation. So let's get started. This is my dummy app. We experiment on this app and do new features. So over here we have a drawer. We will open it, and on this circle image we show the user's profile image, and also if you click on this icon, it is supposed to let the user select a media, and then if they select it, then we initiate the cropping process. So first of all, we need to create a custom widget from this magic code over here. Just head on to this GitHub page. The link is in the description. Copy this one, custom code, new widget, and we name it image cropper, right? And then we paste the entire thing into the code editor. And then we need to add these arguments. Image file, it should match this one, so just copy and paste to be. Oh my god, FlutterFlow box. Sometimes FlutterFlow doesn't know where I'm typing. Callback action, please work, okay. And then current user ID. Callback action is an action. URL, string, and I think we're good. Oh no, we do need the image cropper package. Let me do a quick search. We need to find the latest version. It's 0.7. Okay, do a check. Oh, image file is not a string, forgot that. Okay, save the widget. Now we have the image cropper. What it does is that it allows the user to select a certain area of the image to crop it, and then when you click on crop, it will crop the image and then upload it to Firebase storage, and then call the callback action to let us know of the new URL. So again, this is a bug FlutterFlow has. You have to hide it again and then edit it, then it shows up. Now to use the newly created custom widget, we need to create a component that uses this widget. Image cropper. Create a component over here, create blank. Add the container, give it some size, 350 by 500. Okay, and it will be centered, and we can give it some radius to make it look nicer. And over here we will add the custom widget that just created, image cropper. And this component will need a parameter called the uploaded image. It's the image the user has selected. The type is gonna be uploaded file, and confirm. And we pass the file to this part, uploaded image. And on the callback, we just pop the bottom sheet, so close. This means, yeah, and it has a value. The value is the URL of the cropped image. The callback parameters, the URL, and we're done. Get back, again, open the drawer. On the icon, action flow. So here we ask the user to select an image for upload, and here we check if they have selected. And if so, we will show the bottom sheet. It is the image cropper. We pass on the uploaded image. It's not uploaded actually, it's just selected. And then we add another condition. Before that, we give it a name, cropped image, URL. And we say single condition. If this one is set, nothing has gone wrong and it is uploaded successfully. So now we have access to the cropped image uploaded URL. We can do anything with it. And in this case, we will update the user's profile. Update document, user reference, and change the photo URL from variable, and it's gonna be the cropped image URL. Give it a default value. Why is this not working? It should. It's not? Okay. It's not allowing us to put the string as an image path. On Flutter they're the same, but FlutterFlow doesn't allow that. So we just copy this variable and create a dumb function called string to image. It returns an image path, and this one, we name it a string, and we just literally return the same thing. Save and open the Flow editor. Functions, string to image, and now we just pass the cropped image URL. It's just a thing that FlutterFlow does. By the way, if you enjoyed these kind of videos, please consider subscribing and leaving a thumbs up. Now I have to make a quick change over here, remove this photo URL. Now photo URL is there and we're good. Where are the errors? Oh, we didn't pass the current user ID. Reference the document ID. What else? Make it infinite. They all have gone. We can now run this app and test the functionality. Let's open the drawer and click on the edit icon and select this handsome AI generated man. And we crop it, and it is saved.
A great success!
Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. It means a lot for me, and also it means you are a hardcore FlutterFlow developer. So see you on the next one.